Hello students, good day to all of you. Today we are going to study Organization of Commerce subject chapter number 3, Entrepreneurship Development. In this lecture we are going to study characteristics of an entrepreneur or features of an entrepreneur. In the last lecture we see concept definitions of entrepreneur. So let us revise first. So, an entrepreneur is a person who starts a business and is willing to risk loss in order to make money. So, if any person wants to start any type of business, then such persons wants to make money or to receive profit at a certain risk. So, for earning money, he bears some risk. So, he becomes an entrepreneur. When he actual dealing in business, deals transactions, deals with customer and earning profit, then he is known as entrepreneur. So, entrepreneur is a person and entrepreneurship is an activity. So, let us start features or characteristics of an entrepreneur. So, entrepreneurs have some special characteristics like creative thinking, imagination, enthusiasm, sincerity, etc. So, every entrepreneur comes with new ideas, new innovations, new techniques to earn profits, to run enterprises. So, such creative thinking, imagination, new ideas, innovative ideas increases business and in result entrepreneur earns profit. So, first feature of entrepreneur is intellectual capabilities. So, every entrepreneur have new ideas, so he enters into the market. An entrepreneur is a creative thinker. Why he is a creative thinker? Because he comes with new ideas. When he got new ideas about new business, then he enters into the market. He has reasonably good intelligence. He has ability to analyze business situations. This ability will help him to take proper decisions. When any person wants to start any type of business, so first there are some ideas, new ideas, innovative ideas comes in the minds of that person, then only he enters into the market. He take some decisions to grow his business activities. Second one, future vision. Every entrepreneur thinks about future activities, future profits, future positions. So the entrepreneur has a good foresight about future market situation. For example, if there are changes in the technology in the future, changes in the fashion in the future, so he recognizes first at present about the future. According to that, he make changes in the present activities to face the competition in the market. He should also have knowledge about external business environment. This will help him to take proper decisions according to the situations and changes in the market. So he can take timely actions for the same. So if there are changes is to be taken in the market, according to that he make changes in the enterprises business activities, so he is able to face the competition in the market. Third one, hard work. So every entrepreneur does hard work. He is ready to work hard. He is ready to face hard situations incurred in the organization and outside the organization. It is more necessary when a new venture is started. He has to work for long hours. Many a times he has to handle the main areas of business independently. This will make him successful if his concentration on certain activities which increases the profits or productivity of the organization or sales of the organization, then entrepreneur concentrate on the special field, so it increases the profits and progress of the organization. So he will become successful in the market. Fourth one, technical knowledge. So every entrepreneur having good technical knowledge about his business, how it is to be run, how what type of product will be produced, etc. The entrepreneur has the ability to update himself with the latest knowledge about the product, process, and technology. If there are new products entered into the market, so he have the conduct a survey in the market. For example, likes, dislikes of the customers, taste, preferences of the customers, changing in fashions. If there are new technologies come into the market, then he will be aware about that. So according to that, he will make the changes in the process. Next one, communication skills. So every entrepreneur communicate with other customers, employees, and other persons, which is important for the organization. An entrepreneur needs to communicate with different people like customers, suppliers, creditors, employees, etc. So there are number of persons to which he will communicate in different ways. So he must be able to express his ideas and strategies effectively. It is necessary that there is a proper understanding between the sender and the receiver of the message. So sender who send the message and receiver who receives the message. So if any important message is to be supplied by the entrepreneur, by the organization, so it is correctly sent or not. So he have the good communication skills to communicate with others. Next one, highly optimistic. An entrepreneur has to always think positively. For example, if there is a losses incurred in the organization, so he will think positive about the future. For example, if there is a increases in the sales, turnover, profits in the future, so what are the ways to increase the profits, sales, turnover of the organization? He is always hopeful and confident about the market situation even in failure times. Such positive attitude helps him to run his business successfully even in the long run if there are failures or losses in the organization. But entrepreneur thinks positively to increase the turnover, sales or profits of the organization by solutions to such problems. Point number 7, risk bearing capacity. Successful entrepreneur takes calculated risk. He is ready to face challenges and always seeks new and more opportunities. There are number of competitors in the market. While competing with other, there are some risk faced by the entrepreneur. So he is ready to face such type of risk. Sometimes there are some losses also faced by the entrepreneur, so he is ready to face such type of risk. Next, self competence. An entrepreneur has self confidence. He has positive desires to achieve his goal. Such self motivation keeps him strong and confident to face various obstacles. If entrepreneur have self confidence, then he is able to face such challenges by others or strike obstacles or hurdles incurred in the organization. So today we studied characteristics of an entrepreneur or features of an entrepreneur. In the next lecture we are going to study functions of an entrepreneur. Till then, thank you.